just fucking pissed.
No, I gotta piss. Stop.
Dude, there's nothing to stop. You just pissed.
Bro, I have to pee.
You just fucking peed. I drink more than you, faster than you.
Bro, I'm about to pull over and piss. Right
I'm
on the
holding
side
it
of the
too.
bushes. No.
Yeah.
You're not. No.
Yeah.
I gotta pee on the side of the bushes. I have
Fuck
to
you.
pee.
You can't get off here.
Bro, I have to pee. Stop.
You gotta go straight.
Bro, I have
You're
to
gonna
piss.
get us way into town and we're not gonna be able to get back on the highway.
I'm just pulling over and peeing. I legitimately am. I'm pulling over. I'm pissing. I have to pee.
You should have pissed before you left.
Bro, I'm sorry.
Dude,
I did.
quit eating up my brakes.
I have to pee.
That don't mean you drive like an idiot.
I have to pee. I have to pee right here.
Dude, there's nowhere to pee. You're
Bro,
gonna hit a fucking pothole and trash bag.
No, I'm not.
I hope you get a ticket, motherfucker.
Shut up. I hope
Watch that door. Watch it. Can't even see this little fucking curb. You gotta climb to a shorter spot. Look at him over there playing with his shit. Look over there fucking playing with his shit. You gotta be kidding me. All this fucking traffic and he's over there playing with his shit. Fucking idiot.
You're a dick.
You're a fucking idiot.
You're a dick. I had to pee.
You have to do